Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into this AI website called Hive, review and explore its potential. So to get started, Hive help teams manage share inboxes like support at or the info at. Many companies rely on Hive to deliver a great customer service. Hive lets you create a system where everyone knows who is handling each email. This makes it easier to work together. Hiver allows for real-time teamwork. This means your team can work on emails at the same time. You can also see who is doing what, and this help you deliver exceptional support that wins happy customers. Hiver help you deliver exceptional support that wins and retail customers. It's used by teams of all shapes and size globally, from Flexport to Harvard University and even Epic Games. Hiver help you provide support that wins and retail customers for life. Now, talking about the best benefit of this, top benefit about this platform, which is Hiver, here are some of the cool things Hiver can do for your team. One of the cool things Hiver can do is to manage your shared inbox easily. It can also help you boost your teamwork in real time, deliver exceptional support faster, and also help you improve your customers' happiness. It also help in getting insight to make things better and work with Gmail. Now, talking about the best features, Hiver isn't just a regular way to handle emails. It's packed with special tools designed to make talking to your customer super smooth and help your team work like a well-oiled machine. So let's explore some of the best things Hiver can do to help you rely on Hiver to deliver exceptional support and deliver exceptional support that way. So one of these best features is home channel inbox. It also helps with the customer portal and the collaboration together with the workflow automation and analytics and a lot more like that. So talking about the pricing plan, we have the different range of pricing plan. We have the free plan, we have the light, the growth plan, the pro plan, and the elite plan. So if you want more information about these plans and the key features which is assigned to each and every plan, you can simply get back to the website as it is in the video just to check more information about the plan. Thanks. Let me know what you think about this Hiver platform in the comment section.